Welcome to Follow Quran, your dedicated platform for deepening your understanding of the Quran and exploring the beauty of Islamic teachings. On this channel, we're committed to providing you with valuable insights, recitations, and discussions that will help you connect with the Quran on a profound level. Whether you're seeking to enhance your knowledge of the Quran's verses, delve into the stories of the prophets, or explore the moral and ethical principles that guide our lives, Follow Quran is here to accompany you on your journey of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for the Quran and its teachings. We'll bring you thought-provoking content by talented Quranic scholars and engaging discussions on various aspects of Islam. Together, let's embark on a meaningful exploration of the Quran's timeless wisdom and how it can positively impact our lives. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Follow Quran. We look forward to sharing this enlightening journey with you, deepening